If you have issues with the internet on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case, let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues. So of course, we're going to start with settings, and it all depends on whether you use Wi-Fi or if you use mobile data. If you use mobile data, then usually you have to go to the data usage over here, make sure that the data saver is disabled, make sure that mobile data is of course enabled, and if for example your mobile data keeps disconnecting, then you can go to the billing cycle and data warning and make sure that the data limit is not set up. And this is pretty much everything that we can do just in these settings to solve some issues with the mobile data. And if you have issues with the Wi-Fi, then you can, for example, simply turn off and turn back on the Wi-Fi. You can also go to Wi-Fi settings, and in this case, we can also tap on these three dots in the upper right corner to go to intelligent Wi-Fi, and you can, for example, disable this option, switch to mobile data if you have that option. This option might not be available if you just have a Wi-Fi version, the Galaxy Tab A11 Wi-Fi version, but you might need to, for example, forget the network and try to sign into your network again, to connect to your network again. But there's actually one very cool way to quickly reset all settings related to network. So on the left side, if we go to General Management, there we go. Then over here we can go to Reset. And over here we can find two settings. The first one is the mobile network settings, reset mobile network settings. So you can use that if you have issues with the mobile data, of course. And if you have issues with Wi-Fi, then in that case you want to choose reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, these two things cannot be separated. So if you reset Wi-Fi, you will also reset Bluetooth, which means that you will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and also Bluetooth devices. But hopefully after resetting these features or these options, you should have access to the internet again, and perhaps you will be able to solve your issues. There's one more, or actually two more things that we can check out. If you go to connections and open more connection settings, then over here we can find VPN, of course. So if you set up VPN, you might want to turn it off. And if you made any changes to private DNS, you might want to switch to automatic or switch off completely. However, automatic is the recommended option, so make sure that it is set up like this. And that's pretty much it. This is everything that we can do by ourselves in order to try to solve issues with the internet. And if that didn't help, you might need to seek professional help to try to find out if there's anything else that you can do. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.